You look a little worried. What happened?
Yes, I have a problem. My mom really wants me to be a flight attendant.
Many people like that job.
But I don't want it. It's not my dream.
What is your dream job then?
Hi everyone, see you again. I'm Lina. Okay, for example, if your dream job is a teacher, and then your mother or father wants you to be a doctor, how do you feel? Do you follow yourself or your parents? If it is like this, how do you solve this problem? In this video, we have an interesting conversation about I don't want to be a flight attendant. Our two friends are talking about the problem of dream job. Do you think her friend can help? So let's see together.
Hi, Kelly. Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm good. You look a little worried. What happened?
Yes, I have a problem. My mom really wants me to be a flight attendant.
Oh, wow. A flight attendant? That sounds interesting.
Yeah, my mom says it's a good job, good salary, and kind of easy.
Many people like that job. You can travel around the world.
Yes, but I don't want it. It's not my dream.
Oh? Why not?
First, I'm afraid of height. I can't imagine working on an airplane.
Oh, I see. That would be very scary for you.
Yes, and I don't like flying too much. I get nervous on planes.
That makes sense. What is your dream job then?
I want to be a designer. I love drawing clothes and fashion.
Wow, that's cool. That really matches your talent.
Thanks. But my mom keeps saying, be a flight attendant. It's safe, it's easy, it's good money.
Moms always want the best for us.
Yes, I understand. But I want to follow my dream.
Of course. Dreams are important. Money is not everything.
True. I want a job that makes me happy every day.
But being a flight attendant is also hard sometimes.
Really? Like what?
They must smile all the time, even when they are tired. And sometimes passengers are not nice.
Oh, wow. That sounds difficult.
Yes, and they travel a lot, so they are far from home and family. That's another reason. I don't want to be away from my family. I understand. So what will you tell your mom?
I think I will explain slowly. I'll say, Mom, I respect your idea, but I want to be a designer.
Good idea. Speak kindly and she will understand.
Yes, I hope so.
Don't worry. If it's your dream, keep working hard. One day, your mom will be proud.
Thank you, Sarah. You always give me good advice.
You're welcome. Friends must support each other.
Yes! Let's go have some coffee.
Great idea. Let's go.
Wow, how do you feel after watching this conversation? Now it's your turn to share your idea. Write your thought in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. See you next time.